Hey, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I will share with you guys about the XL or Twitter software. So this software is combine everything into the one software. So in the first one I will share for you is account management. In account management you can manage unlimited account in here. So the next one is content management. In management you can save all your content or your post with the video or image into this to save your everything into here. So the next one is interaction script. Interaction script is mean like you can warm up your account. If your account is very new and you want to warm up and make it like real people using using Twitter, so you can using the interaction script to make a script like this. So like you can interaction by succession, you can interaction by success by being follower or follower interaction. You can choose on the function in here to make your account automatically running and it look like very look like a real people. So the next one is viral marketing. In viral marketing you can post tweet into your multiple account like this. So you can also put tweets by account, like you can copy other account and copy the post and auto posting on your Twitter. So you can also post tweet to your community. You can also post community by ID tweet, and you can also join community automatically. You can also setting tweet like you can also increase like or comment for your post like this. You just to copy your post link into here and make a setup, and all your account will come to the post and do anything like comment or respond. You can also comment by keyword. You can also choose on the post with the keyword and make the comment. You can also reply comment. With the reply comment you can comment automatically, reply automatically on the comment on and in any post or in any comment. So with the same message you can also send message for follower with follower or import the slide. You can also put the all the link in here and send message for them. And you can also setting for profile like this. So the next one is follow function. In follow function you can follow by the user and make some setting like this. You can also follow by the keyword with the owner keyword or hashtag like this. You can choose the owner keyword and hashtag. So you can also follow by tweet. You can also choose the follow by successful post or specific post, and you can also unfollow. And in here you can also auto increase follower. You can also auto increase follower. And the update information, with the update information you can change the basic information in your account, and also you can change advanced information for your account like username, email or password. And the next one is unlock account. You can also unlock account by the AI or input file. You can with the submit appear suspension. And the last one is scanner. With the scanner you can also scan account trees like this. You can also scan trees by keyword. You can also scan account by keyword, scan account information, scan account interaction, or scan account follow. So if you want this software, contact me in the bio or the number on the screen right now. You can also download this software with the link and ask me to help you using this software. Thank you everyone for watching. See you in